Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You already have the file open, so start by choosing the source frame or element you want as the trigger. In Prototype, set interaction to on-click. This creates the connection. Once done, pick the destination field, but don't finalize yet. You need a clear target. Make sure your target page and frame exist. Otherwise, create a frame now. This step establishes the link's intent and prepares you to choose navigation behavior, which we'll set next. Now pick the exact frame on the target page. That's critical for accurate navigation. Set action to navigate to and decide on animation. Instant for speed, dissolve for subtlety, or smart animate to move elements smoothly. If the destination is a different page, enable preserve scroll position only when you want continuity, otherwise deselect it. Make sure offsets align so content isn't clipped. Once configured, use the link icon to review connections. You can chain interactions for multi-step flows. Finish by testing the flow in present mode. Click the trigger and confirm you land on the right page and frame. If animations feel off, tweak easing and duration until interactions feel natural. When satisfied, copy the prototype link or invite collaborators with can view or can edit permissions. If something goes wrong, check common issues. Invisible frames, renamed targets, detached instances, or overlapping clickable layers. Fix the target.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.